Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake on MEXC platform. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC app and then log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description and it will help you to avail the 8,000 sign up bonus. Now, once you are on the home page of your MEXC platform, simply tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here on this overview page, you will see this earn tab. So if you tap on earn, you will be landed on this page where you will see all of the cryptocurrencies, and right next to see you will see the APR. So basically these are the batches that you can use to stake your currencies. So let's say you have Bitcoin, and on Bitcoin you are going to get 99.99% APR, which is good. So select the subscribe option and provide the amount. It will show you the duration as well, so you need to provide that and tap on the subscribe option. So this is for 3 days, and after 3 days your earned amount will also be able to view in the assets tab or the wallets tab, so you can just do it over and over again, and this is how you can stake on MEXC platform. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.